Hello kids, welcome to Abc123 Magical Learning. Let's learn numbers 1 to 5 with different coloring circles. Kids, first we will learn name of the colors. This is dark green color. This is pink color. Sky blue color. Orange color. Yellow color. Now let's trace the number and color the circles. Number 1. Number 1, one circle. Number 1, one circle. Dark green color. Dark green color. One circle. Next is number 2. Number 2. Number 2, two circles. Pink color. One circle. And two circles. Light pink color. Number 2, two circles. Next is number 3. Number 3. One circle. Sky blue color. Two circles. And 3 circles. How many circles for number 3? 3 circles. Sky blue color. Next is 4. Orange color. Number 4. How many circles for number 4? 4 circles. One circle. Two circles. Three circles. How many circles for 4? 4 circles. 4 circles. Orange color. And next is number 5. Number 5. 5 circles. Yellow color. This is number 5. One circle. Two circles. Three circles. Number 5, 5 circles. How many circles for number 5? 5 circles. One circle, two circles, 3 circles, 4 circles. Which color is this? Yellow color. 5 circles. Kids, shall we repeat again? 1, one circle, dark green color. 2, 1, 2. 2 circles, light pink color. 3, 1, 2, 3. 3 circles, sky blue color. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 circles, orange color. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 circles, yellow color. Kids, hope you like this video. Please share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye bye.